Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best MP3 players. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Are you tired of listening to music on your phone but not getting the sound quality you expected? Most smartphones compress audio, limit headphone power, and drain your battery quickly. If you're a music lover who wants true hi-fi sound, powerful headphone output, and the freedom to stream or store music, then a dedicated digital audio player might be exactly what you need. Meet the HiBy R4 digital audio player, a modern hi-fi MP3 and MP4 player that runs Android 12, supports Spotify, and delivers powerful high-resolution audio in a compact device. The HiBy R4 packs a lot of premium features into a portable player. First, it runs Android 12, so you can download apps like Spotify, Tidal, Apple Music, or YouTube Music directly. It features a 4.7-inch touchscreen display, making navigation smooth and easy. For serious audio performance, the player includes 2 headphone outputs, a 3.5mm single-ended port and a 4.4mm balanced output, delivering cleaner and more powerful sound for high-end headphones. Connectivity is also strong with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB-C support. Storage won't be an issue either. The device includes 32GB internal storage and supports microSD cards up to 2TB, giving you room for massive high-resolution music libraries. Plus, it includes high-res audio support and customizable EQ settings so you can fine-tune your listening experience. Pros: excellent hi-fi audio quality. Supports streaming apps thanks to Android OS. Balanced 4.4mm output for audiophile headphones. Huge expandable storage up to 2TB. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons: more expensive than typical MP3 players. Slightly thicker and heavier than a smartphone. Battery life may vary when using streaming apps. The HiBy R4 is perfect for audiophiles, music collectors, and headphone enthusiasts who want better sound quality than a smartphone can provide. It's also great for people who want a dedicated music device without draining their phone battery. At around $249, the HiBy R4 offers a strong balance of premium audio performance, Android app support, and expandable storage, making it a solid value for serious music lovers. Number 2. This is the innioasis G3 MP3 Player, a compact Android-based MP3 and MP4 player with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and built-in support for streaming apps like Spotify, Pandora, and Amazon Music. The innioasis G3 comes with a 4-inch touchscreen display, making it easy to browse music, apps, and videos. It supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can stream music or connect wireless headphones and speakers. One standout feature is the large 160GB storage setup. The device includes a 128GB microSD card, giving you plenty of space for songs, audiobooks, and videos. Because it runs Android, you can install apps like Spotify, Audible, Libby, Pandora, and Spotify Kids, making it great for both music and audiobooks. The player also includes useful extras like FM radio, voice recording, video playback, and a customizable equalizer for adjusting sound quality. Inside the box, you get wired headphones, a USB-C charging cable, and the 128GB SD card, so it's ready to use right away. Pros: affordable price compared to many smart MP3 players. Built-in Wi-Fi for streaming apps. Large storage with included 128GB card. Lightweight and easy to carry. Multiple features like FM radio and voice recorder. Cons: performance is slower than a smartphone. Screen resolution and brightness are basic. Audio quality is good, but not audiophile level. The innioasis G3 is a great choice for kids, students, and casual music listeners who want a dedicated music player without using their phone. It's also ideal for audiobook listeners and parents looking for a kid-friendly streaming device. At around $67.99, the innioasis G3 offers Wi-Fi streaming, large storage, and multiple entertainment features, making it a very good value for a budget music player. Number 3. This is the MECHEN M30 HiFi MP3 Player, a compact high-resolution portable music player designed for pure, lossless audio playback without the distractions of a smartphone. The MECHEN M30 focuses on high-quality sound performance. It supports high-res audio formats and DSD lossless playback, allowing you to enjoy music with much greater detail than standard MP3 files. The device comes with a 64GB memory card included, giving you plenty of space for thousands of songs right out of the box. It features a compact 2-inch display, making it simple to browse music libraries and playback controls while keeping the device extremely portable. The M30 is designed for dedicated wired headphone listening, which helps deliver cleaner and more stable audio output. Music files can be easily transferred using the USB connection, so you can quickly load your favorite albums from a computer. Because it's a dedicated music player, it focuses entirely on audio playback without notifications, apps, or distractions. Pros: excellent support for high-res and DSD lossless audio. Compact and lightweight design. 64GB memory card included. Simple and distraction-free music playback. Good sound quality for wired headphones. Cons: small 2-inch screen. No Wi-Fi or streaming apps. Limited connectivity compared to smart music players. The MECHEN M30 is ideal for music lovers who prefer offline listening and high-resolution audio files. It's also great for people who want a simple, portable player dedicated purely to music, especially for commuting, workouts, or travel. With a price of around $79.98, the MECHEN M30 offers solid high-res audio support, included storage, and a compact design, making it a good value for listeners who want better sound than typical budget MP3 players. Number 4. Meet the MECHEN M30 HiFi MP3 Player, a compact high-resolution digital audio player designed for pure music playback with support for lossless and DSD audio formats. The MECHEN M30 focuses on delivering clear, high-resolution sound for music lovers who want better audio quality than standard MP3 players. It supports high-res audio and DSD lossless formats, allowing you to hear more detail and depth in your favorite tracks. The player includes a 64GB memory card, so you can start loading your music library immediately without buying extra storage. Its 2-inch display keeps the device compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a pocket or bag. Music can be quickly transferred using the USB connection, letting you move songs from your computer to the device with ease. The player is designed primarily for wired headphone listening, which helps maintain stable and high-quality audio output. The gold finish design also gives the device a premium and stylish look while remaining durable and portable. Pros: supports high-res and DSD lossless audio. Compact and lightweight portable design. 64GB memory card included. Simple interface focused on music playback. Stylish gold finish. Cons: small screen for navigation. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. Limited features compared to Android-based players. The MECHEN M30 is ideal for music lovers who prefer offline listening with high-resolution audio files. It's also a good choice for people who want a simple, dedicated music player without apps, notifications, or distractions. Priced at around $79.98, the MECHEN M30 offers solid high-res audio support, included storage, and a compact portable design, making it a good value for listeners who want quality sound in a simple device. Number 5. This is the HiBy M300 digital audio player, a powerful Android-based hi-fi music player designed for high-resolution audio, streaming apps, and portable music listening. The HiBy M300 runs on Android 13, allowing you to install popular streaming apps like Spotify, Tidal, and Apple Music directly on the device. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, giving you smooth navigation and better performance than many entry-level MP3 players. For audio quality, the player supports high-res audio formats including PCM and DSD, delivering clear and detailed sound for serious music lovers. The device includes 128GB of internal storage, and it supports microSD cards up to 2 TB, so you can store a massive music library. Connectivity is also excellent, with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB-C, and a standard headphone jack for flexible listening options. It also features an IPS touchscreen display, built-in FM radio, and even a speaker, making it versatile for different listening situations. Pros: Android 13 with support for streaming apps. Strong Snapdragon 665 performance. High-res PCM and DSD audio support. Large 128GB storage plus expandable memory. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and multiple connectivity options. Cons. Battery life may drop when using streaming apps. Built-in speaker is basic. Slightly more expensive than basic MP3 players. The HiBy M300 is ideal for music enthusiasts who want high-quality sound and streaming apps in one device. It's also perfect for people who want a dedicated music player without draining their smartphone battery. At around $199, the HiBy M300 offers a great balance of Android functionality, strong performance, and high-resolution audio support, making it a solid mid-range digital audio player. If you want to check the latest price or learn more about the HiBy M300 digital audio player, check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and product guides.